Walang sugar apple. So guys, let's go. Upgrade muna tayo. It's 1 a.m. me update. Hard together. Hand today. 1 a.m. Please, sana walang pasok. Ay nga. Hintayin lang natin sa seed shop, guys. Hintayin lang natin. So, guys, kailangan natin makuha yung sugar apple. Okay. So, padami muna tayo ng pera. Para I just had idea next week should be giving one pet. Monkey! Jandel! Anong design? Anong design? Anong design? Anong design? Just tell the design. Bawas pera ko na. Berlili just restock. Whoops. Whoops. Naman. Bakit hindi sugar apple? Just kidding, making it rain night. I want sugar apple. That's my dream. Napangarap ko na yung raccoon. Ayun ang raccoon ko. Good little boy. Sana nandito si Jandel. Para nakawan natin. Ano sabi? Once they bees leave us. Eto na. The alien muti. Oh! Alam ko na yung sinabi! No way! No way, no way. Ano oras na lang? Wag mo muna iwanan yung honey. My God, kinakaba ako Baka i-restock niyo yung apple, sugar apple. Eto na. Guys, tonight my home is hosting with me. My wife sleep again. Should I wake her love? 20 players. Oh my God, yes. God. Please, sugar apple. Ay, ayun na! Nawala na yung bee! Alam ko na yan. Alien. Guys. Ito na! Nasaan na? Alien! alien! UFO. UFO. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, ayun. Nasaan yung alien? Parang ay, meron. Kala ko magkakano tayo. Wala man. Wala. Meron tayong alien mutation. Small chance UFO. Ang oras na ito. 3 hours. Nabago niya eh. Nabago. Who got the song for event? Feel like B-grade show TV. Ha? Show TV? Hindi naman niya nakaka-exciting. Shinto. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung Queen Bee. Gusto ko pa naman ng Queen Bee.
Ilan na yung battery pack?
Battery pack. So guys. Sige. Small chance guys. Sugar apple stock. Small chance lang yan. Small chance. Eh wala na. Please John. Pew. Pew. Pew, 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 pew. So, pew. Ano sunod nun? Try find alien like fruit, some ray, chance, God fall invisible. Raccoon, stolo. Blueberry lang naman. Blueberry lang naman ini. Yan, malapit na. Yes, Jandel. I want sugar apple. Okay. Miss the old disco song. And reset. Small chance. Small chance. Ano yan? Money lang. Ano yun? Ay, wala. Wala lang pala. Wala namang mutation. Ay, meron. Ah!
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos.
Yay!
No need to ask why.
It's back.
Open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat.
Feel good to be back. Chop, chop, chubby up. Raining heat. Chop, chop, chubby up. Raining heat. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
It's raining,
Raining tacos.
it's raining
Tacos. Kala ko ba may mag-aano dito? Ay, wala na. Ba yan? Iya ako nung ganun na. Bad yun. Bad yun. Bad yun ha, bad. Oh, sugar apple. Ang dami. Okay lang yan guys. Tingnan natin yung ano natin. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Meron ako ditong. Wait lang. Nasa embryo ko. 5. Ano kaila? Tap 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 yap. It's raining tree. Yap tap tap tap. Cook owl activate ability. Hindi ko nakita. 2 hours. Mawawala si Sam guys. Ito mawawala. Good to see you, Sam. Sana lagi lang kita kasama para makita ko yung ano. Guys, let's go. Kagubatan. Right, semi. Next stock. Please. Please. Sana maisip mo. Bad kasi si Jandil. Gusto ko ng sugar apple. Jump, 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 jumpy up. It's raining trees. Malapit na. 3, 2, 1. Wala. Araw. Wala man. Bufifi lang, bufifi. What? It's stuck. Paper na! Naman, okay lang yan. Kakaw! Oh my god. Also stuck, beanstalk or sugar apple, please. Beanstalk. Ay, tsaka naman. Okay lang yan. At least, meron akong kakao. Woo! Yay! My God. Pero gusto ko pa rin na sugar apple. Okay lang yan. At least meron akong ano, kakao. God, kinakaba ako. Wala pa yung update. 30 minutes na lang. 37 minutes. My God, sana all nakakuha ng kakao. Shoutout naman. Tsaka